Hi guys, we are here to do the unboxing of PLDT Home Wi-Fi, and I'll be showing you on how to set up your account by accessing the portal.
First, you have your warranty card, the instruction manual, the power cable, the LAN cable, your SIM card that has already been inserted in your modem, and your PLDT Home Wi-Fi modem powered by Smart LTE. You can find the SSID and Wi-Fi key at the bottom of the modem. You can insert the power cord here, and 2 LAN ports are available if you'll be using a computer. So that's all for the item, and let's proceed in accessing the portal. First, make sure your phone device is connected to your PLDT Home Wi-Fi. Type the default password, PLDT Home. Now open the browser and go to pldthomewifisettings.net. You can have access to this address if you are not connected to PLDT Home Wi-Fi. Now type the default password again, PLDT Home. After that, you are required to change your password and your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to read instructions carefully because sometimes they will ask you to put special characters to your password. After you successfully change your password, they will log you out and you have to log in again using your new password. Once you're logged in, they will ask you to do a quick setup to make your internet up and running. Read the instructions and hit next. Once you get here, you're now able to customize your Wi-Fi name. After this, please read the device placement guidelines to avoid signal interruptions. After the customization, you may be disconnected from the Wi-Fi and make sure to reconnect. Then you have to download an app for an easier management to your account. Go to Google Playstore and find My PLDT Smart, and you'll be asked to connect any of your cards like debit cards, credit cards, PayMaya, or GCash. This is if you don't want yourself to keep on buying load cards from the physical stores. But if you don't have any of these, you can just skip it. Now open the application, hit register, and it will automatically detect your PLDT Smart SIM card number. Now enter your password, which is the new password and not the default one. And please read the terms and conditions, then check the box when you're agreeable with it. Now your account has been successfully added. Then hit the Proceed button. Now you have to assign a 4-digit PIN code. And that's it. You'll be now able to manage your account. If you hit the Enroll New button, you will be redirected to your dashboard. You will then acquire the 10 GB free data allocation once you have successfully registered your account. From here, you can explore more about the application.
And now we're done! I hope my tutorial had helped you a lot by setting up your account. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next videos.